Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to cut our strip sets into the blocks we need. So we're going to cut each strip set into two 9.5-inch blocks. So first though, we're going to straighten up the end here. So I'm just going to lay it there. I lined up my line here on one of the stitch lines, and then it lines up on several of them, but you just want to make sure it's a straight line. And then we'll flip it around. And now we're going to line up the 9.5 on the straight edge we just cut. And then it should come down right at the 9.5 there at the bottom. And we're just going to cut it. Lay that one to the side and we'll cut another one. Now I am making two piles here. So that one that I just cut went to the left. When I cut this one, it'll go to my right, because then I can manage them easier when I'm laying out my quilt next week. Let's do another one together. Now we are just going to straighten up our end. I don't have a lot of space, that's why it's folded over there. And we'll line up our 7-inch line. Right there. And just straighten up our edge. Then we will flip it around and line up our 9.5. Right like that. And that one goes to the right, one more to the left, and then that's what we'll work on this week while we are getting things done. So then you'll have a bunch of blocks that are for, oh, my pattern fell, but there it is. That's the pattern we're doing. So you will just cut them all like that, and then we'll be ready for next Tuesday when we are going to put it all together. And I'm going to do mine. I'm not doing mine in rows. You can. But I think I can manage it better if I do it in quadrants, because all of them would be the same. You just turn them differently. So that's how I'm going to lay mine out. And then I can manage it better in my small space. Rather than have a bunch of rows laid out, I can just do them in sections. But you can do it however you want. And I will see you next week for the completing of it.